The overall goal of the following experiment is to establish an effective, multifaceted approach to concussion evaluation that would yield valuable information related to the etiology, functional changes, and recovery from concussion. This is achieved by baseline testing student-athletes when they begin their collegiate career and conducting follow-up testing if they incur a concussion. Computer testing includes neurocognitive assessment, recording event-related potentials during the auditory oddball task and the flanker task, and a somatosensory discrimination task. Balance is measured to calculate the sway index score, and gait is measured using an instrumented gait analysis system. The results show a multifaceted, team-based approach to concussion assessment.
The main advantage of the Elon brain care approach is that multiple perspectives are focused on student-athlete well-being.
This method can help assist sports medicine staff in return-to-play decisions while expanding our understanding of concussions.
The implications of Elon brain care extend toward improved proactive assessment of concussions because multidisciplinary baseline measures and education are at the core.
Though this method can be useful for collegiate athletes, it can also be applied to high school athletes and the greater community, as concussion education and assessment are key to prevention and recovery.
Generally, the difficulty of this program is coordinating the baseline and follow-up assessments to meet the needs of the researchers, athletes, and sports medicine staff.
We first had the idea for this method when faculty from exercise science, physical therapy education, and the sports medicine staff saw an opportunity to make an impact in the community.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical as the scope of testing can seem overwhelming, but the multidisciplinary approach is valuable.
The entire protocol